Hey, this is Seth38101 coming at you tonight. So how you been? I've spent a few weeks not posting videos. I've been quite busy. I mean, we got some radio stuff going on, and yeah. So the other night we had a party in the backyard. It was really fun. Robbie was out there, and parents had some of the friends by. We had a bonfire big enough to make a tree glow. Those are the fun kind. So I decided to record a little bit just to share something different here on YouTube, just to let you know that we kicked back a little bit and we actually relaxed. So, this is a good brew here. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what else in that drink there. April sort of put that drink together for me, and she spent like 2 hours mixing up the 273 ingredients, so it's quite crazy. Before I show you this video and footage of our party, I want first to direct you all over to the new official SouthTube channel. The link is over there. Go over there and check it out, okay? Alrighty. So this party, it was alright, but nothing special really, maybe for us, but nothing special to show here on YouTube. So while I'm talking about it, let's go ahead and show you some things we did at that party, okay? Alright. Oh, Jesus, God. What do you think of that? That's our tree. That big tree that you've seen before. Look at it just glow. Because we got a big old blaze going. Big old party going on out here. Oh yeah.
What's that about? What?
How's it going?
I bet you half the people who probably watch this now don't even know who you are, do they?
Probably not.
Yeah.
Because usually, instead of being a Mountain Dew can, usually it's Bud Light.
Well,
but that's changed.
See, back when Daniel first showed up on my YouTube channel, back in like beginning of 07, people knew who he was. So he was on my channel first. Go look at some of my very first videos. He was crazy. He's pretty changed now. And they gave you a nickname. What was it?
Get Her Done Dan.
And this is Get Her Done Dan. And this is, give me a second. Wait, this is Get Her Done Dan. And
Paula.
Well, I know, but I'm trying to come up with something else, like Got Her Done Paula or something.
What? Get Her Done Paula?
I can't come up with anything.
Got Her Dead Paula.
Gosh. Yeah. So there's a lot of people here. I don't know how many people actually want to be on my YouTube, so I'm not going to show everybody up close. Uh-oh.
You filmed it? Hey there, boy.
And that's my dad, now on YouTube.
Now on YouTube. How am I on YouTube?
How are you on YouTube? That's a long
Put
story.
us on there, huh?
Yeah.
You're going to have all this on YouTube?
Damn right.
Get Charlie over here?
Yeah, you got.
That's the Coke man.
You got to get Leon there.
Yeah, Leon. Get Leon.
What kind of Coke?
How are you?
Hey.
I'm the Coke dealer in Petersburg.
Hey.
I'll tell you, Roger, I wouldn't take that to somebody and told him I done job.
How are you? The camera. You're going on YouTube.
Oh no.
What do you want?
That's my short Uncle Dean.
Well, I don't know if the will about that.
Of course, everybody knows who that is. Robbie. Uh-oh. And since April's away, I got her on the phone here so she can say hey. Say hey, April.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm fine.
April, you're a telephone right now.
Yes, I am.
Can you believe that?
Can I believe that I am on the telephone?
What was
Yes,
that?
I can.
Get that YouTube. See that? They got that white stuff all over the place.
Hey! Oh my God! What do y'all got going on there? Oh my gosh!
You got it in my hair.
I'm not even gonna ask. We going there. Now this is X-rated, isn't it? What was that?
No, the clothes are on.
They said something blowed up, had a hair trigger.
Oh. Look at the size of that flame.
I don't mind.
Sorry.
This is Laura, Daniel's sister, or Get Her Done Dan. Somebody gave him that nickname on the internet. This is her boy. You don't have to say your name if you don't want to.
I am Stan.
And he just said, there you go.
Stupid.
What do you got there? Hot chocolate?
Yeah, I did have, but I drank it all.
Sitting under the glowing tree. Man. And she's been wanting to get on YouTube. Yeah.
It will be here in a minute.
Well, if you're gonna get Mitchell Farms, you gotta have a plan.
Oh! What? The damn firefighters here. Uh-oh. You got us in trouble now. Actually, it's just Daniel.
He's got his hose too.
He's got his hose.
And even a 1.5 inch.
Wait a minute. I thought you all grabbed big hoses. What's this all about?
It's all got.
Yo, come on, it's all you got.
He's a little hose boy.
The little hose boy. Daniel or something. Woo!
You better put both hands on that hose.
Yep, something's not to get away from you. That's funny. Okay, did you enjoy that? I hope so. I am planning to make more music videos. I'm going to try to come up with some other ideas from people to see what is happening. That didn't make no sense at all. Of course, with this 270 some odd ingredient drink that April made for me, you know, of course it's not going to make much sense. So, nevertheless, there's some things to come here. I got some vlogging to do. I got some other things to do. Yeah, I will catch up with you, but we're just trying to get a little wild, you know, a little different around here, stuff like that, okay? Okay. It is very important that you check out that news box, okay? What's the finip? Yeah. What? Don't give me that weird look. Is there like something different about me today? Cause everybody's staring at me, and I don't know what the hell's going on. I mean, I'm just getting out of go.